Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a stable mic, drivers, and the app's latest build. Once installed, open audio settings and set sample rate to 44, 1K Hz or 48K Hz, and 1624-bit for best fidelity. Make sure you're in a quiet room and position the mic 6 to 12 inches away. Use a pop filter to reduce plosives. Next, route your input to the app and enable monitoring so you hear changes live. This first setup prevents confusing artifacts later. You now design the voice. Pick a bass profile closest to the target and change pitch in semitone steps. Small shifts preserve naturalness. Once done, tweak formants to maintain vowel shape and add EQ, cut muddy 200 to 400 Hz and lift 2 to 5 kHz for presence. Make sure to add gentle compression at roughly 2 to 4 to 1 and a light noise gate. These keep dynamics steady. Test by speaking varied phrases and iteratively refine each parameter until consistent. You finish by routing the process signal. Set the voice changer as your system input or employ a virtual audio cable into the game or VoIP client and verify in the app's test call. Save several labeled presets for quick switching and test under real load to observe latency. If you encounter crackling, pops, or latency, first lower buffer size and ensure drivers are current, then disable system audio enhancements. If problems persist, restart audio services and retest. Doing this usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.